Lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing ginger beer for the first time. If you want to see I do this ginger beer, stick around. So today I have my ingredients right here. I have some limes, I have ginger, and this is 1 pound of ginger. I have my little juicer right here. I have my cutting board and my knife to cut my limes and also cut my ginger. Ginger beer from Terrian's Kitchen, and in her ingredients she used lemon. I live in Jamaica where lime is more readily available than lemons. I haven't seen lemon in a minute. And I also love ginger beer, so I don't know about you guys, but I love me some ginger beer. So I figure why not try this 4 recipe ingredients, right? Save you the money and all. So I'm going to try it and you guys will stick around with me while I get prepared. Alright. So did I mention these limes are from my backyard? And I said in her recipe she said you could use lemon or lime. So get ready to do my favorite drink. So one of my favorite drinks. So I have my ginger and I've already washed my ginger clean, so I'm just going to go and cut these ginger. Right now in this pandemic, the better for me, the better for you, better for everybody. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I sliced my ginger. These limes are going to take me a minute to squeeze because they're like not even big in size. So I want to get the juice out freely. So what I'm going to do is just roll my limes on the cutting board to kind of soften them so it's easier to squeeze. has been a little over 3 hours, and I'm just going to go ahead right now and strain my ginger beer. I think next time when I try this, I would like to use it in sparkling water, so it gives it that fizz, you know, like when you're drinking soda, because that's really the ginger beer that I like, the soda type, especially the, you know, the real Jamaican ginger beer we used to the D&G brand. Yeah. Guys, my juice is in my drinks jug, and guys, this is so delicious, trust me. What, it is not for the faint-hearted, right? Because when I tell you that this is strong, this actually feels like I'm drinking alcohol, guys. So I have my little lime right there for, you know, my presentation, and my glass, and you know, it has ice in it to keep it chilled. No cold, no flu that form against me shall prosper. Guys, this is strong. I don't even think that I need to use the sparkling water, like I said, because with that fizz and this, what should I say, this sting from the ginger. But guys, if you're still here with me, do remember to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and also remember to turn that little bell on beside your subscribe button, so each time I post a video you are instantly notified, so you can be one of the first to watch. Also remember to like, share, comment, and you know, spread the words about help me local channel, help me build local family. Alright, until then, love is walk good. Cheers.